Wow guys, it's evening time, and as you can see, these chickens are actually going to sleep. That you are seeing right there. So they are going to sleep. So we have chickens over here. They are just enjoying their time, as you are seeing right now. Let's see from here. They are just enjoying themselves, as you can see. So we have about 10 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are 10 right now. So very soon they will be fully matured for consumption. Let's see very well the room. All this little room is very dark, as you can see. They look very beautiful, guys. They really look very beautiful, that you are seeing. Thank you so much for watching. Can you please give this video a like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.